Hey, what's going on? This is Alex Powers, and I'm entering Mike Alexander's 5 minute dashboard challenge for Data Pig Technologies. Um, I have my iPhone here ready with 5 minutes on the clock. You probably can't see that with a little bit of blur, but I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and we're going to kind of get to it. Overall objective is pivot tables, some slicers, and then also some visuals. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, start. So I'm going to go ahead and add a table, so that's Control T. I'm going to go and set a direction here, so I'm going to do left, police district, 1 character, so we can get northeast, southwest, Alt NV for a quick pivot table. We're going to go ahead and drop that in here now, so I'm going to do a direction, I'm going to do a count. I'm going to go ahead and copy this pivot table catchy. I'm now going to change direction to type, and we'll go ahead and move that over. With the TreeMap, you cannot use a pivot table, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of reference this here. So if A4 is not blank, bring A4, otherwise blank. And we're going to go ahead and kind of make that a little bit bigger here. Remove grand total row. This will be our counts. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Spelling. So we're going to go ahead and insert a tree map real quick. And we're going to go ahead and move this over here to a new page. This is going to be our visual page. So I'm going to go ahead and remove chart title, remove these directions. You can kind of already see it. We're going to go and make a donut chart now. So this is going to be our pie and then our donut. We're going to go ahead and move this now over to our dashboard chart. From a kind of stylistic standpoint, I like to kind of follow the MVC, so model view control. Put all your visuals in one, and kind of your visual elements in another here. So format chart area, fill, no fill, border, no border. Kind of same over here. No fill, no line. Do not want any of those. And we're going to go ahead and copy this pivot cache one more time. We're going to go and paste that over here. So I want my 3D Baltimore grocery stores. Still got 3 minutes here, so kind of keep it moving along. Hold Alt to snap to grid lines. And we're going to go ahead and kind of stack these over here for our visuals. We're going to go ahead and snap that over here. We're going to go ahead and snap that over here. And then we're going to go and bring our pivot table over now. So this will be right starting there. And let's go ahead and bring the field list back. So police district is going to be our columns. Our neighborhood is going to be right here. I want to go ahead and edit this. I don't want it to auto size. Data, I don't want it to remember. And then for any blanks, I want to show 0. So there we go. And then let's go and also add direction here. It's just kind of another layer. So this will be our neighborhood. And I want to tighten things up here a little bit now. So 1.5. Bring back our field list. We're going to go ahead and insert a type slicer, a direction slicer, and this should be good. Just those two. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this over here. I want to make A and C 1.5 in size. I'm going to go ahead and make B to be 25. Just kind of a good length. I always like to have a left-hand menu here. So columns, we're going to go and make 2. Yep, there we go. And we're going to go and move type over here. So let's go ahead and size that up. Hold Alt. Once again, a snap to grids. Hide items with no data. Hide items with no data. And then we're going to go and do our report connections. We're going to connect this to the pivot tables, just kind of from our calculation sheet. So report connections. There we go. And let's go ahead and hide this row then. Row 3, I just don't like it. Baltimore grocery store is awesome. Let me go ahead and delete that. We're now going to create our print area. And right there, page layout print area, we're going to do 1 sheet by 1 sheet, orientation with left. Print titles, we're going to do a header. So we're going to go ahead and insert our date and then our time just in the top right. And if we were to kind of play around with this now, you can kind of see that it's moving. This one is actually not moving, so let's check that report connection. It is not connected right there. And good find, good find. So there we go. So I now want to add some data labels to these. Come on, there we go. And I'm going to kind of steal Mike Alexander and John Walkenbach's recommendation, make them black, make them white, make them stand out, and there we go. So just like that, we now have a dashboard for our Baltimore grocery stores. And you can kind of just check out the multiple views. What time to spare? 16. All right, so if we kind of go up here, let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. And might need to come back. There we go. Go ahead and hide that. Hide this. Dashboard. And time. Good stuff. Thanks for the challenge, Mike. Take care.